My inspiration really, I think, started when I experienced James Turrell's piece out there, Twilight, Epiphany. It has the tranquility and the contemplative qualities of a meeting house. You sit there and you pause and think, but you're pausing and thinking with all the shifting light in the sky in the middle. And so from there, I wanted to be able to engage that idea in the student center, which is in essence a meeting house. And then on the other end, there is this space that is a meeting space for the audiences that are attending the events.
Our mission with Rice Public Art is to meet students, faculty, staff, and visitors where they live and learn and work with inspiring works of art. And in this case, we wanted to activate the Shepherd School of Music. We're in Alice Pratt Brown Hall, which is the heart of the classroom experience for the Shepherd School students. We wanted to activate it with work by an artist inspired by music. So we approached Odili Donald Odita, who's an extraordinary artist, born in Nigeria but raised in the United States, who combines an incredible sense of color with energy and hard edge abstraction into a site-specific installation that we have here. The work is titled Meeting Place, Painting with Changing Parts.
There's these very distinct, pronounced color shifts that are occurring on campus. And I wanted to be able to, in a way, create this kind of musical quality of sprinkling notes, bright notes, accenting the work within the space so that there's a sort of like sparkle.
I think it looks really good and it it brightens up the place a lot. I feel like it represents the people more, bright and lively, and it's great.
I'm a composer, and so colors mean a lot to me, especially with music, and so I always appreciate it when I can see color in a space. It makes it alive and awake and happy.
We're super excited about the partnership that brought this together with Moody, and to be able to have this kind of public art in this building is just really important for us, and I think it sends a great signal. We're ready for school to start.